Welcome back. We need to install Chat GPT Desktop. This is going to be fantastic for us because we can use desktop application instead of going to the website and use ChatGPT whenever we want. And based on the kind of subscription you have, you can perform different tasks. So you just hit the download button here next to the Try ChatGPT. You see this one. So click the link and then scroll down. You want the desktop application, but there is also a mobile application if you want. We need to download the Windows version because I'm using Windows, but you can use the Mac version if you're using Mac. So click on download, and then you should see the download page from the Microsoft Store. Just press download and start the download. So this is going to download one of the installers in my download folder. So you click save, I already have one. When the download is complete, you just press the application that is in your applications based on kind of operating system that you have. I have ChatGPT here on Windows, so I press the Windows icon, and then I see the ChatGPT logo right here. So if I click this, I should be able to see ChatGPT here, and I'm already logged in. But in case you are not logged in, just follow the step, register an account, and then you will be here in a minute. So when you're here, you can prompt GPT to do whatever you need. For example, I don't know, ask anything you want. We are building video games, for instance, so we can ask how to build video games. If you want to build a website, you can ask how to build a website. Let's try just create a simple HTML page for my portfolio. So there are some suggestions here, so for my personal blog or wherever. So let's say for my portfolio website. And it's giving you the code, it's typing, so just wait, and then yeah, got it. As soon as it's done, you can grab the code from here, so it's still typing, so when it finishes, you could grab the code, copy that code inside an HTML file in this case, and then use the code for wherever you're doing. Okay, so that's it for this video. You have ChatGPT running in your Windows or Mac computer, and then you can just use it for wherever task you want. See you in the next video, guys.